Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the Playing with Nails collab. So the theme is neon animal print. So I'm going to be painting all the nails in this umikk white. I'm only showing you 2 coats on one nail because there's no point me showing you all of them. So yep, you just apply it and then just cure it for 60 seconds and then that will all be done. So let me just quickly speed this up. So once they are all cured, I'm then going to use the Shemodern glue gel. I didn't show it in the video. I did show it, but I obviously didn't hit record again. And then these will be the neon pigments that I'm going to be using. So these I got off AliExpress. So I'm just going to show you them here. And that's the brand. These were actually a good price. If I remember, I will try and remember and put the link in the description box. So that's what they all look like, and that's what they look like once they're undone, because they have like one of the tab things. So I got these 2 brushes out. I did already try this once and I didn't like how it came out, so I got rid of it and restarted it. So I just applied the well, I used this brush first and I didn't like how it was going. I was like, oh no, this is too messy. I didn't feel like I had control over it, so I switched to my other brush. This one, this double-ended one, I really like this one. So yeah, I'm just going to apply this over the glue gel. The glue gel cures in 60 seconds and it's a really good tacky layer. It's a really good product, really good. So I just applied the pigments. I tried to sort of like have like a little play with them and kind of put them on a little bit differently. You'll see what I mean as I'm going through. So yep, I just continue to apply them, slightly buff them a little bit, and yep, just wipe them off with a brush. So I will let you watch this bit and then I shall come back again, okay? So on this last nail, I thought I would do something a little bit differently and use all of the colours in different places on the nail. I don't know why, I just had this sort of like in my head. I was kind of winging this. I don't know if you can tell. And we will do some stamping. So first off with the stamping, I will use the Cad's Black, but I'm really running out. And it was so hot, so hot. So yep, it just was practically instantly drying. So I partway through I will switch to the Shemodern opaque black sticky stamping polish, and it worked amazing as always. You know I love the stuff. Seriously, if you haven't tried it and you're struggling or whatever, I highly recommend getting it. So yeah, I'm just deciding where I'm putting them all. So this is what this one looks like. I just thought I'd do something a little bit differently. So I'm just buffing in that yellow one just a little bit more because I didn't want all the colours to sort of like mix into it. So I do apply a glossy top coat over these. So these are the stamping plates I'm going to be using today. So this is Beauty Big Bang XL001. I do have a discount code for Beauty Big Bang to use on their main website. If I remember, I'll stick it at the end. If not, it will be in my description box. So all I do is I just apply the polish, scrape and pick the image up. I do have a stamping video. It's always this in all of my videos. If you are struggling a little bit and you want to have a little look on how I do my stamping, so I pop this on at an angle and then I do change it part of the way through just because I felt like it was sort of like missing bits. So yeah, I will just continue to apply all of the images, and then yeah, if I feel I need to come back, I will come back. If not, I will just stick some music on and just let you enjoy the stamping. So yeah, I shall be back soon. Okay, so this now I decided to do something different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place each animal print that we've previously done in different places on this last nail. Now, I do actually really like how this came out. I just thought I'd do something just a little bit differently. So yeah, instead of sort of like, you know, like adding a new print or whatever, I just thought, no, I'll go a little bit crazy and add all of the designs that we did on all the other nails and add them all to the one. And I actually think it really worked. I really like it. I really do like how this came out. I can't pick a favourite nail. Let me know down below which is your favourite nail, because I can't pick one because I really like them all. So yeah, I really like how this came out. So yep, I will just continue stamping and then I will apply a glossy top coat over the stamping, because you never want to put a matte top coat over the stamping because it will smear. So you always want to put a glossy top coat first and then the matte top coat if you're going to be a matte top coat, and if you're not, then you just leave it as glossy because otherwise it will smear. There's just something in the matte top coat that just reacts to stamping polish, and yeah. So yep, I will continue to apply these and then I will come back. Okay, so this is the design all done here. I'm going to apply the umikk no white top coat. This top coat does not smooth stamping whatsoever. And yep, I will post pictures at the end. I will do all glossy, half and half, so half matte, half glossy. And then I will do all matte. And let me know down below which is your favourite nail and which do you prefer, all glossy, half and half, or matte. Don't forget to check out the playlist if there is one. If not, don't forget to head over to Instagram and check out the hashtag to see everybody's awesome designs, because everybody does a fantastic job every time. And yep, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I shall see you next one. Till then, take care. Bye.